everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This video is a continuation part of choosing ingredients for your skin. We have talked about niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Today we will see a lot more detail about AHAs and BHAs, chemical exfoliation, how to start, what to choose and all about it. But before starting, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also consider following me on my Instagram account. The product links will be given in the description box below. Do not forget to check that out. Now without any delay, let's begin. AHAs and BHAs, which is alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acids, these are acidic ingredients which helps in exfoliating our skin. Like back in the days, how we used to do scrubbing weekly once or twice in order to remove all our dead cells. These acidic ingredients also do the same job, but these also has a lot more other benefits. The most common form of AHA is glycolic acid and the most common form of BHA is salicylic acid. You can think of them as a distant cousins which will help in exfoliating your skin and to achieve clear complexion, but each of them has its own specific way of doing so. If you have a sun damaged pigmentation, textured skin or any stubborn old acne marks, then you have to choose glycolic acid for your skin. Glycolic acid really helps in getting rid of pigmentations, textured skin. It will smoothen the skin very well. I have few products with glycolic acid. So my first recommendation is night gel from Plum. This comes with glycolic acid and green tea, so it has a very soothing effect on the skin. This will really work very well on a textured skin, but only if used on a long run. This has very light gel formula which will be very well blended in the skin. Only thing with this product is this comes with a little bit of strong fragrance, so if you are of a skin type sensitive, then you may have to do a proper patch testing before using this. If you're a beginner for chemical exfoliation or for glycolic acid, then this would be a great product to start with. My next one is a very well-known product from the brand. What I'm talking about is PIXI Glow Tonic. This comes with 5% of glycolic acid, so this would be a little bit stronger than the previous product, but this works very well on old stubborn acne marks and also on textured skin. If you're going to use this one, I would recommend use once in a week initially, then increase gradually, then start using it 2 days in a week, not continuously, alternate 2 days, and then start using it on alternate days. This way you're gradually introducing the glycolic acid in your skincare regime. It would be easier for your skin to take it. Alright, those were the details about glycolic acid. Now let's move on to my favorite one, which is salicylic acid. If you're an oily skin type and suffering from an acne prone problem, then salicylic acid is the one for you. I have been facing a lot of acne problems and salicylic acid has been a game changer for me. Salicylic acid is very good at regulating sebum secretion and it also purifies your pores, hence the possibility of breakout will be reduced, and it also works very well on your active acne. Now let's move on to the products that I have for today for salicylic acid. I have quite more products for salicylic acid. The first recommendation is a kind of a spot treatment product. This is acne clarifying gel from Requil. I have done a detailed video on this product. This really worked very well on my swelling of the acne, and it will dry out your acne within 2 to 3 days. If you do not really want to include salicylic acid in your daily skincare routine, then this is the best one to go for. As this is a spot treatment product, you can use it whenever it is required. My next product is a 2% salicylic acid face wash from Minimalist. If you are introducing salicylic acid in your skincare through a serum or through a moisturizer, then the product is going to be on your face for a longer time. If you're not really sure about it, or if you're kind of scared about introducing salicylic acid on your skin, then starting with face wash would be a great idea. But you will not see the results super soon, because the only time when you're going to have salicylic acid on your face is only when you're washing it. Once you're used to it, you can also keep this product on your face for a couple of minutes and then wash it off, so that you're increasing the amount of time that this product is going to be on your face. My next product is a serum which comes with 2% of salicylic acid from Minimalist as well. This really has been a game changer for me. I was continuously breaking out, though I was doing all the skincare, but I was not really sure what I was doing wrong. When I started using this, my acne was in control and all my old acne marks were also started reducing. They say this also works on blackheads, but it didn't really work on my blackhead, but it did wonders on my acne problem. My next product is also a serum which also comes with 2% of salicylic acid from Suganda. In addition to salicylic acid, this also comes with green tea and Centella asiatica, so both of them have a very soothing effect on your acne. And both of them worked really well on my acne. But if I have to choose one, then I might choose this, because I thought in addition to working on my acne, this really did add a little bit of glow on my face. Alright, those were the products that I had for glycolic and salicylic acid. Now let's talk about the usage of it, because that's also a very important thing about these. It is better to use glycolic or salicylic acid on your nighttime routine rather than using it on daytime. And using sunscreen in the next morning is very important. You should not forget that. I have showed multiple products, but do not use any of them together. You should have only one product which has glycolic or salicylic acid in your skincare product. For example, if you're using a face wash which comes with 2% of salicylic acid, then you should not use any serum or any moisturizer which has salicylic acid in it. You should have only one product which has BHA in it. With the product you're using, give at least 3 to 4 weeks of time. You cannot really judge them whether they are working or not within 3 to 4 weeks. Do not jump in and start using them every day if you are a beginner. Introduce them gradually in your skincare. Also, you have to be very careful about the products that you're combining with this. For example, if you're using glycolic acid or salicylic acid, you should not mix retinol in it, or you should not use vitamin C with it. If you're a beginner, I would say use only one ingredient at a time. Always work on one skin concern at a time. Do not try to address them together. For example, if you have acne problem, also you have some old stubborn acne marks, work on your active acne first and then jump in and try to address your old acne marks. Since these are acidic ingredients, this might make your skin feel dry, so topping these products with a very good moisturizer is very important. I would say using Clinic Moisture Surge would be a great option. It is safest because you can use that product with any of the ingredient. You can also go for Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, or you can also go for Pond's Super Light Gel, which is very affordable. So that's it for today, guys. I know it looks scary, but it is not as complicated as it looks. If you have any question, you can write it to me in the comment section below, or you can DM in the Instagram. I'll definitely try to answer them. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.